Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Another math channel. If you saw the last video, this man is probably the polar opposite. I was studying for the SAT. He's very helpful, but I just think it's really funny that this guy exists because he is a robot. Let's give an example, shall we?
This seaside Verbo is about to play host to an unforgettable vacation memory. That game of cards that Grandpa somehow managed to lose. Even though...
Shut up!
I'm Dr. Roger, and this question is from the March 2021 U.S. Exam Calculator section. College Board is...
He's dead inside. He's dead. There's nothing in his eyes. There's like a wire in the bottom. He's definitely plugged into a wall or like remote controlled by someone. Or I feel like he's getting threatened with a gun on the other side. I don't know. He looks scared or just hollow.
21 U.S. Exam Calculator section. College Board is asking about the comparative lifespans of the typical wild African elephant and Asian elephant. And the question is, by what percent is the lifespan of the African elephant greater than the lifespan of the Asian elephant? So the African...
He's getting on his knees.
Give me that coochie, robot man!
equals 70 years, and the Asian equals 60 years. So the difference is 10 years greater.
Okay guys, you got that? You got that done? I'm gonna pause the video and see if you guys can figure out this math equation.
You ready? You got it? Okay, he's gonna explain it. Mark Zuckerberg is gonna explain how they did the math equation.
Which one do we take that as a percentage of? Do you take that at 10% of the 70 or of the 60? And if we read carefully, the typical lifespan of the African elephant in the wild is percent greater than the typical lifespan of the Asian elephant in the wild. So that's 10 years greater than 60, and we want 10 as a percent of 60.
You find a pencil, I gotta write that down. Okay, I got paper. I gotta write this down. 70 years for African, and then Asian, 60 years. Using subtraction, which he said previously, you do 70 minus 60 equals
10 years greater.
It's not as exciting as Math by Fives, but he's got something here, even if it's nothing.
So 10 over 60 equals 1 over 6, which is 16.67%.
Let's go write this down. 10 over 60 equals 1 over 6. Hold on.
Percent.
Move your head.
And
Okay, there we go. 16.67%. Wow. That's crazy.
Can't grid in all those places, but we can grid 16.6 or 16.7, and College Board will accept either of those answers.
You round the 7 because it's greater than 4, and you round up to the nearest 10th, and then you get 7. Now you know how to solve it. Because Mark over here did a fine job explaining how to solve this problem.
Math. And it is 16.6 or 16.7. If you were tempted to say 70 over 60, which is...
Okay, guys. I'm going to pause the video here.
See if you can figure out
70 divided by 60. What would that equal? I'm going to pause the video. You guys get some paper, get some pencil, calculator, figure this out, get a ruler, get a protractor, whatever you need, figure this out before he does it, and then see if you're right. And then if you're right, good for you. If you're wrong, you're a dumbass. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Pause it. Yeah, go figure it out. Oh, and since it is the SAT calculator portion, you can use a calculator on this portion. Make sure to have a TI-84 scientific calculator. It's made by Texas Instruments. If you don't have that, you're going to fail the SAT. You should have it figured out by now.
1.166 or 1.
Did you guys get that?
If you didn't get that,
You're an idiot.
that's just it. You're dumb. If you can't do that, if you can't get the buttons, you can't find the buttons and just put it in the calculator, you're dumb, you're stupid, you're an idiot.
167.
Okay, he's getting on my last nerve. Let's see a better video. Let's see what he has. Wow. 1,100 SAT math videos. Plus 200 math level 1 subject test videos. Wow.
Oh, I love that profile picture.
Has some alpha male vibes emitting from that. They're all they're all the same. He's in the same corner of the room. He's in. Ooh, let's see this one.
Would you want your student to have access to the best educational opportunities available?
No.
This is SAT Test 3, calculator question number 15.
This is SAT test question calculator 4 through 15. Let's get into it.
It deals with interpreting the results of a
Dude, fix your camera focus, man. Using the first camera, Jesus.
experiment. College Board often asks you to interpret or critique an experiment or a survey, and these questions require careful reading, especially when there is not a flaw in the survey. In order to determine if treatment X is successful in improving eyesight, a research study was conducted from a large population of people with poor eyesight.
Yeah, I have poor eyesight. And this is making it poorer. Because his stupid camera focus. He picked his nose and then he didn't wipe it off he did wipe it off his finger. He wiped it on the camera lens. So unprofessional.
Participants were selected at random. Half a participant.
He had a stroke there.
That's not a good choice because the experiment did not.
Sorry, I had to bang my head into my table. I love how this is HD. It's still awful camera quality. No.
Here.
What the? No. Leave. I'm bored. I'm gonna play. I love Fail Army.
Hey, say bye to everyone. Bye. Hey, say bye to everyone. Bye.
Be on the bottom too. They can have a seen food in its life. He stole the chips from me. He stole the chips.
Oh.
Oep, de nieuwe. Liever geschoten, hè?
Oh, monkey. No. No, monkey, no. Don't do that. Bad monkey. That guy was so incredibly boring that I lost interest in reviewing his channel. And now I'm going to end the video because I don't know what to do. And the only thing that comes to mind is watching monkey fail videos. But even that is not doing anything for me because I've been so, drained. I'm going to... guys, watch this funny video. It's great. It's a funny video. I think it's a hippo fart. Look at that. Okay, you guys ready? It's the world's biggest fart.
Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, they're killing me.
Okay, my favorite part's coming up. It's when the hippo farts. Ready? If you're allergic to poop, don't watch this video.
Did you see that?
You guys like that? Ooh, funny horse farting. Horse farting.
We're a good one.
Oh my god. A stroke. What's he doing? Is he gonna fart? Oh! Follow this guy. He does math. And make sure to, what is that? Okay. Pun. Okay. Bye.